Chief Minister Okrami Bobising alleges that the centre has done nothing for development of Manipur in the last 2.5 years. Minister Biren urges political parties not to politicize the National Food Security Act. Minister Ratan Kumar stresses significance of age-old tradition of Umang Lai Harauba. And Thongnokjam Chauba claims Congress party can win single-digit seats in the upcoming assembly polls. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitama Monica bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Okrami Bobising today said the state cabinet has decided to introduce a startup policy to provide jobs to the unemployed youth of the state. Addressing a political conference organized by Oripok Block Congress Committee at Oripok Achom Lekai, the Chief Minister alleged that the BJP government at the centre has done nothing for the development of Manipur in the last 2.5 years. He asked if the BJP government has announced any scheme for the state. Ibobi alleged that the BJP government, instead of introducing new schemes in the state, it is more interested in inaugurating completed projects. The Chief Minister said the BJP talks more and the people of Gujarat, the state of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, have realized it. He said to provide drinking water to the people, the government has almost completed the 15-kilometer long pipe from Mapitel Dam to Imphal.
Government sina mayam na nungsibidna amona sakti sinaba chargadi anouba policy ma di Manipur start of haibama policy si akoi ngasi mari mangani hapta manuda cabinet decision laurga akoi puthok sargani masdeda chana ba skill training piba ado akoi angang jingsi yamna intellectual oiba moigi brain moigi innovative oiba angang yamna leigrachani akoi sideda aduna moi Tabakti Toningba Lanaigi industry ma paikatningba or natraga masata natana atopa mayama tabak punna suminaba paikatadabse akoina hanu moisi guide tawgani.
Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam said those who are opposing the development works in the state are the enemies of the people. He said those who are against the inauguration of 50-bedded Ukhrul Hospital by Chief Minister are the enemy of mankind.
Laibak Tibadi, Ukhuldas, Aduk Pajagraba, in terms of hundreds of crores, Sangasimba Sagatpa, development Mayamasa, Honorable Chief Minister Lusingna Mayam, Salaga, Sangaruni program, Tabaman, Sangmayadi, Migrana, Mado, Tingi, boycott Tawi, Madu Prazavi Jimnavani, Sakrat the Dignavani, Kuyumta Liba, Praza Singsuna. Mission Bajaba Miss Todana, Awa Tahangabado, Mado, my papa, Swungamoy, Haying Sekani, Hamoni, could you think it in Jerusalem? I could the Praja Seva, Prajagi the Makta oil chief minister, Kudona. Development Mayamase, Kutsin the Tabak, talk.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Khetri Mayum Birain has appealed to political parties and aspiring candidates to raise awareness on how to get rice under the National Food Security Act in time instead of politicizing it. Speaking at a one-day workshop for media persons on National Food Security Act organized by Editors Guild Manipur at the Classic Hotel today, the Chief Minister said the government has faced a lot of difficulties in its effort to implement the act to help the people below poverty line. He said the government faced problems in distribution of digitized ration cards to BPL families as many errors cropped up. Birain said due to the delay in collection of rice by agents, citing non-distribution of cards also is a cause of delay in implementation of the act. CAF and PD Commissioner B.B. Sharma, eminent economist Professor N. Mohendra and EGM President A. Mobi were among those who participated in the workshop.
Ration card, private household, same as the show. State government is same here, upload away of Mother Horen, we Tador Mother digitize tawbusi masingsi watna taw singsi koina prajada suna pigadabasi somda yumno keno na ngakani amana kat phai phage ama yumno na budra kat phangre amana rupa ahum piba singsi phangadori adari amana rupa ahum piba singsi phamoidori adugumbagi NIC ki da koi madugi problem mayama laidra matam jar kat piru ngamdabagi posu mayam thengagi masidi ek ni tangai phada rupa ahum da kiji manga piba si ek yar bani sida maman hena yen su yake sing handara piba su yake.
Education and Transport Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar stressed the significance of the age-old tradition of Umang Lai Harawa in the Manipuri society. He also maintained that the festival must be organized at the state level. Speaking at the 8th Mera Mifam organized by Umang Lai Kanba Apun Balub Ukal at Maharaj Chandrakriti Auditorium in Palace Compound today, Minister Ratan Kumar assured that he would urge the Chief Minister to discuss the organization of Umang Lai Harawa at the state level in the cabinet meeting. He said various organizations including UKAL must decide the time to celebrate the festival by all. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Professor N. Khagendra, Parliamentary Secretary K. Megachandra, PDA Chairman T. Mangi Babu and delegates from other states took part in the event. Individuals and organizations who have made significant contribution in the promotion of Umang Lai Harawa were also honored at the function. A book entitled Lai Harawa Da Tangkhul Nurabi was also released.
Madugi Wakalon Kayama, Manunga Pumdana Yauri Base, Masi Akwena, Masigi, Kumaya said, Kwe no Mata Warasu, Ninita Warasu, Masi Suti Lauku Bahese, Yam the Maram Sai Hadana Tamsage, Aduna Wapamasi, a Council of Ministers, a Cabinet Pamapam Nipamda, a Supotosage, Honorable Chief Minister Su, a Masuma, a prize Tosage, Adua Luina in a Tamzading Badi. Masih damata apai ukalna amadi election diriba fai khudingmagna karamba numita apai oigani haibasima masigi suggestion pibiu.
Convener of State Election Management Committee BJP Manipur Pradesh Thongnaujam Chauba claimed that the Congress party can win single-digit seats in the upcoming assembly polls. Chauba today flagged off a rally of two-wheelers and four-wheelers organized by BJP Election Committee of Oinam, Malaysia. Chauba said the rally was organized to understand the problems facing the people of the constituency due to bad condition of roads, non-availability of drinking water and rice under the National Food Security Act in Nauria Pakanglapa constituency. Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and an aspiring BJP candidate in Nauria Pakanglapa O. Malesh said the rally was held to see if the claims made by Nauria Pakanglapa MLA that 80% of the roads in the constituency are repaired are true. About 2,000 BJP workers took part in the rally.
Corruption haraba sarkar se masidi mi yankai ni thoi lai hariba se single digit da mapan phadan kan gani noma ki Congress party ahuba hi gumna samadra thaliba chauba hi do noma phamda hoba luppagadaba hi da tongaba Congress party ni
Nauria gi kogi phattaba lambi sing asi sigi MLA asina CMA dana lawrokpa adala khoi chamamnaba ma polakpa adala ngasi Nauria gi praja lising kaya ga loinana ngasi gari chani gi mathakta koi siga duga bai namak tawrakanda koi whole Nauria si leirak khulak koi Nauria gi chit mathungna koi ngasi hariba release chalaga mana tawi hariba development sing asi ngasi koi tawbra na taka tawdabra haibigi ngasi thim du dari ngasi koi na chasariba ngasi release.
One-day political conference come Mid the Ningol program was organized by 21 Nauria Pakanglapa BJP Mandal today at Apunba Naharulgi Sakti Ground, Konjeng Lekai. Speaking at the conference, MLA TH Biswajit said everyone knows that the Congress is losing its ground in Manipur. He said BJP has its own ideologies, country first, party second and self last in the ideology of the party. Biswajit asserted that from the time BJP has come to power in the centre, developments are visible in the country. The BJP MLA also accused the Congress of involving in various scams like Commonwealth Games, 2G scam and coal scam, which the party was in power in the centre.
Shri Narasimha Rao na Prime Minister oiba matamda condition ahumda wari sanakibneba
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯤꯑꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯍꯨꯟ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯈꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯋꯤꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯤꯑꯦ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯕꯤꯖꯦꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅꯦ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯁꯤएमꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯈꯪꯅꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯃꯤꯠ ꯁꯥꯍꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯃꯦꯂꯟ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯆꯤ ꯑꯃꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯕꯅꯤ ꯔꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯙꯕꯖꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯏꯟꯆꯤ ꯑꯃꯐꯥꯎ ꯁꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯕꯅꯤ.
Irom Chanu Sharmila said persons from the hills will contest in the assembly polls on her party Praja tickets. Sharmila stated this when she came to attend the Sunday Mass at Imphal City Evangelical Church at Mantribukhe. She also appealed to the people to support Praja to bring about a better change in the state. One-day election campaign of former Minister Lampolapam Jayanta Kumar, who will be contesting the assembly polls in Kesamthong on Congress ticket, was held today. The conference was organized by Youth Congress Committee Kesamthong Ward number 9 at Maisnam Nongthongbam Lekai Community Hall. Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation Soram Sunil also took part in the conference. One-day public discussion on the 11th Assembly polls was held today at Takhel Khuraijam Lekai Community Hall. The meeting was organized by Takhel Khongbal Apunba and Khuraijam Lekai and Tongbram Lekai BJP Development Committee. Several BJP leaders, including former BJP Manipur Pradesh President Mainam Borod, spoke at the event. All Tribal Students Union Manipur ATSUM has objected the stand of Manipur University to stick to the decision of Academic Council in the admission of students. The union said it cannot accept the decision of Vice Chancellor in charge Professor Amar Yumnam to follow the Central Educational Institution reservation in admission 2006. It warned the scheduled tribe students not to enter the university campus and take admission until 31% are reserved for the STs. ATSUM President Joseph Mar today told media at Nagaram that ATSUM will not accept the decision when there is disagreement on the reservation policy. Joseph Mar maintained that the High Court has ordered 31% reservation for ST students.
Moral yaugdaraba hojiki acting VC sina university gi mahi tampham awang basidigi mana control toraga chakke tawbo oitardi akhodi achuya yadre ma hojik mak resign tawgadawni kariyumba tribal student khanghogdre haina tawbo singdudi akhoina apamba dandi pira kana masana yajagadaw aduna hayengi admission hawki dawse khoi yaningde kariyumba mi kharna tawbo tarsu jingi satra MU da laik tamba thengnaraba akhoina nataraga Chingi Satra admission tauba khoin thengnaraba mathakta taba punishment do masana yazagidobuni.
A young girl was found dead under suspicious circumstances near Nonggrain Mamang Chingdum Macha under Lamlai police station in Imphal East district. The body is yet to be identified. The girl appeared to be around 20. It is suspected that she was killed and left in the area last night. Morning walkers discovered the body early this morning. She was about 4 feet 8 inches tall and fair in complexion and wore a black top and a blue striped pant. Sources said the miscreants allegedly hit her in the head by a blunt object. Locals could not identify her and police has deposited the body at Jennings morgue. Thongju Block Congress Committee TBCC today organized a booth-level workers' meeting at the residence of Sanjeeva Waikom, who is the aspiring Congress candidate in Thongju. TBCC President Atom Babudon, Secretary Thongam Manisana and Congress workers of 45 booths attended the meeting held at Okram Chutek. One-day medical assessment and identification camp was held today to identify the children with special needs in Irilbung Block in Imphal East at Meitei Mayek High School, Kongba. The camp was organized by District Project Office Sarva Siksha Abhiyan Imphal East. District Coordinator Ningthozam Siddhartha says the camp was held to provide aid and appliance to children with special needs and the right to education. He urged the parents of those parents to come forward and help them stand on their own feet by taking advantage of the program. Such camps will also be held in Sawongbung and Ziribab block.
Disabled angang sing yum dal leho ya dre usti angang kudimak loi like tam dorobunina disabled ori si kadai du or no moisi akoina kadai da mating pangbe age habis khangdu oga hadi wheelchair daga tab no wheelchair gi piraga ma si school yorokna bagi adumba pandam da ngasai gi mai awat putu mention laga masu masung mamana mayam gi marakta punjaraga like tam horaga tungi future sem no bagi pandam du फंगनबगी दमक्तनी कोइना मु पेरेंट्स सिंग सिदा मु हाइजनिंग से आंगांग सिंग से युम द लोसन बिदना सुगुम्बा आइडेंटिफिकेशन केम तौरिबा मेडिकल असेसमेंट केम तौरिसदा पुतोक पिरागा मागी अवार्ड पासे तिदोक मिनारागा तुंगी आंगांग सिंगी पुंसी से सेमिनासी.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Pengba ngaton Pangbiragani, Ningol Chakobugi Manguin, and Mapungari Faraba, Pengba, Amadi Ngaton, Ningol Chakobugi Damak discount supizeri, Ngaton Keji Manga lay with the Keji, I'm a free, Pengba Keji Tara lay with the Keji, I'm a free the pizeri. A cock Navamatamni, Nashimak Lingshin Birokton order to be ho, Pangpam, S. Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm, Hyang Tang Bazar. Pengba Ngaton, Pangbiragani, Ningol Chakobugi Manguin.
Aigi Tamuina, a cheat but has a batamseri. Srimani Kumar Jewelers. Yumda some later can Benedicana Rui, and Wunderlina, Tina Cravani, Wakal the Wagano. Lao, I could do Pasaminasi. Miam get Pamba design Kudimu, so we didn't apologize. Srimani Kumar Jewelers.
Nungairba Paujel, Manipur Sangai Festival Manungda, Myanmar the flight Tongluna Koiruna Bagi, Achauba Kudong Chaba Ama KB Enterprises na Pizari, November Gitangkun the Chat Kragatangkun Taruk Tahalakadabani, Sopnatagi airfare listing Taramanga Kachamangada, Myanmar the Chatpiu, Package Ki Kudong Chaba Sufang Bigani, Akupamarol Gidama, KB Enterprises, MG Avenue Infalda, contact of you, Aikogi mobile number D 98620 28656. Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari. ITC Limited ki premium clothing brand Wills Lifestyle gi Thangmaiban Mesnam Lekai opposite House ground labor store da Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari. Nupa amasung nupi ki formal casual amadi evening party wear yauna makhu kuding makki fizol sing fangbigani. Ngasi maglengsin biraksi Wills Lifestyle store Thangmaiban Mesnam Lekai opposite House ground. Nungairba Paujel, Manipur Sangai Festival Manungda, Myanmar the flight Tongluna Koiruna Bagi, Achauba Kudong Chaba Ama KB Enterprises na Pizari, November Gitangkun the Chat Kragatangkun Taruk Tahalakadabani, Sopnatagi airfare listing Taramanga Kachamangada, Myanmar the Chatpiu, Package Ki Kudong Chaba Sufang Bigani, Akupamarol Gidama, KB Enterprises, MG Avenue Infalda, contact of you, Aikogi mobile number D 98620 28656.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Spokesperson of Development Organization Andro Kendra Jiban said the statement given by Secretary of Thangmaiban United Club in print and electronic media supporting MLA Joy Kishan reflected lack of reasoning. Speaking to media at the OAK office, Yairipok Yambem today, he alleged that the issue of repairing of Nagamapal Kangjabi Lerag cropped up as MLA Joy Kishan failed to understand the condition of roads in his area while criticizing the condition of roads in Andhra. He further said even though MLA Joy Kishan failed to understand how much MLA Shyam Kumar had done in the fields of education, sports and tourism.
Kangjabi Lerak Siambagi Ayaba, Thangmaiban United Club na MLA Shyam Kumar da Pikibado, Development Organization Andro Kendra na Sunungai Pawi. Adubo, MLA Shyam Kumar bu boycott Togani Haibadumakte, Nungai Taba Pawi Development Organization. Maramdi, Sarkar Paiba Yau Kibada Ngairiba. MLA Shyam Kumar Thangmaiban ACBU Yangsinbagi Khongchat na Masalubaduda Kangjabi Lerak Sembige Harambado Semtasanu Tawatabu Joy Kishan na Sembangamdabagi Maramdudi MLA Shyam Kumar da Sengdok Patai Thangmaiban United Club ki Secretary na MLA Shyam Kumar unaduna Wakal Taminaraba Matongda Lambi Sembagi Kudong Sabasu Lobiyu.
Sahit Madhumangol Foundation, in association with National Medical Organization Manipur, organized one-day free medical camp at Ideal Club, Terakaithel. Hundreds of people from the locality were examined by 14 doctors and free medicines were also distributed at the camp. Executive member of Sahit Madhumangol Foundation, S. Premananda, said the camp was organized to provide benefits to the people living in and around Terakat Bazaar.
Ayuktagi hongna uji phawba patient ji koi cham ngai muk sugre aduna chorana koi patient ji chamri muk yeng muge koi target thamjai aduna koi na pamjari si help for all koi gi lairu praja sing da su doctor laing sing da chatpa ngam da ba private clinic chatpa ngam da ba koi gi miyam puramak da su koi gi hakchang gi oiba ana laing sing ji khangdo aga praja sing si da koi na khara da su mating panna bagi pannam da koi gi Sahit Madhumangol Foundation na masi health camp ji Tera Ideal Club ka kusum naraga sinjabani.
One-day political conference of BJP Manipur Pradesh scheduled for today at Azad Higher Secondary School has been postponed. A meeting of voters of Andro constituency who live outside the constituency was held today at Hotel Orient. The meeting was attended by people from Khetrikau, Porompat, Hapta Golapati, Mantripukhi and Khabaisoi. The meeting resolved to support Dr. Namaichan Luwang in the upcoming Manipur Assembly election. The second biennial circle conference of All India BSNL DOT Pensioners Association North-East 2 Circle will be held on November 9 at Kuki Inn. Issues and remedies regarding the pensioners of BSNL DOT will be highlighted in the opening session. Laishram Gulapi Singh, 65 years of Sagolban Mainolerak, went missing on October 21. He left home around 5:30 in the morning. He was wearing a white shirt, maroon trousers and sandals. His family said he is mentally retarded. Thangjam Rajan, who won Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Award 2016, was felicitated by Porompat Thawanthava Yoga Center at an event held at Porompat Thawanthava Community Hall. He was given the award in recognition of his work towards the development of yoga by Babu Jagjivan Kala Sanskriti and Sahitya Academy, Delhi. Kohima police yesterday seized 520 kg of ganja worth 26 lakh rupees, which was being smuggled in a fuel tanker bearing registration number NL01Z8528. Police personnel manning Peducha check gate noticed unusual movement of an oil tanker and intercepted it around 2 a.m. During search, police recovered 520 kg of contraband ganja concealed inside the tanker and 26 packets, each weighing 20 kg. The driver of the vehicle, identified as Kumar Chhetri, 39 of Imphal West, Manipur, was remanded to police custody. Now the sports news. The second Manipur Open Chess Tournament organized by Manipur Chess Association kicked off today at Komalampak Sports Complex, Kangsang today. 102 players, including 4 girls, are participating in an open and under 15 years tournament. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam inaugurated the tournament.
Tournaments from strength to strength. From Kudin Magda, tournaments in organized Moisunu, Shina, Sanarabia, Maruina, Narok Singh, China Singh, Maruna, Kalaiba, China Singh. Mois Baling Tata, Singamba, the My Papa, Utopa, the Moisunu.
Trao Kwakaithel Trust USA Kurai 3-0 in the 11th Manipur State League at Imphal Polo Ground today. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Football Association under the sponsorship of K.H. Ingocha Singh Memorial Trust. Klasa Kaino will meet SU Sagolban, while YPHU Lalambung and Nisa Thangmaiban will clash in the tomorrow's league matches. Manipur won the 7th NEC Dr. T.O. Memorial NE Football Championship. In the final played today at Rajiv Gandhi Stadium in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur trounced Sikkim 4-0 to clinch the title. Manipur's Imran Khan, Pritam Subhas and Bitam netted the goals in the 10th, 48th, 57th and 60th minute of the match. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Ukrami Bobby alleges that the centre has done nothing for development of Manipur in the last 2.5 years. Minister Biren urges political parties not to politicize the National Food Security Act. Minister Ratan Kumar stresses significance of age-old tradition of Umanglai Harawa. And Thongnogjom Chauba claims Congress party can win single-digit seats in the upcoming assembly polls.